Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave presentations. Today we are going to discuss about MIS format which is to be submitted to the management in the construction industries from the sites and the accounts department. All reports format for submitting to the management in construction industry. This consists of daily report for progress report format, weekly progress report format, weekly reports, weekly report summary sheet, weekly report billing breakup, weekly report cost, weekly report current assets and current liabilities, monthly reports, which consist of monthly report summary sheet, monthly reports committed and uncommitted cost, monthly report capital expenditure details, details of hired equipments, details of the manpower. Then we come to the quarterly reports. Quarterly report consists of pending loans, details of bank interest, details of bank charges, statement of bankment, hotel booking for the quarter, list of mobile phones, details of staff advances, details of overtime payment, details of communication expenditure. These quarterly reports of the financial reports which has to be given submitted by the accounts and the finance team. See, this is the format of the daily reports. You can say report number, whatever the number you want to give, date, project, daily progress report, activities, you can serial wise the activities, the total quantities, what is this, what is the today's progress and what is the cumulative. If there is any remarks, it is to be remarks. What is meant by MIS, Management Information System? It connects all the peoples, from the information, analysis, efficiency, data storage system using the software, evaluation, decisions and the people. All these things put together a management information system. Now let us talk about the weekly progress report. Report number, you mention the report number, the date, project, weekly progress report. It should consist of overall project status, planned versus actual percentages. In engineering department, what has happened, procurement, what has happened, construction, what has been happened. It has to mention reasons for shortfall. It has to mention what is the reason if it is not achieved, key achievements if any, areas of concern. Enclosure should have activity wise physical report, activity wise manpower report, activity wise equipment report and indirect manpower. See, this is the activity wise physical report will consist of all these things. Report number, date, project, what is the project detail, activity, total quantity, planned this week, what is been, what cumulative, what is actually achieved, what is the week and cumulative. If it is plus or minus, the reason as we mentioned. Then we are talking about proper backup manpower report. This is consist of whatever report number according to your company names you can give it, project detail, activity wise means category. So you have to mention all the categories. If there is survey, how much, string, welder, bender, junior, lower, backfilling quantities, others, etc. All these categories has to be mentioned and given the detailed report. Then we come to activity wise equipment report. Report number, project, activity wise equipment report, category, what the categories you can mention like this, equipments and what all the things. So the same wise it has to be the equipments, what has been in survey, how many equipments used, in welding how many used, bending how many used, backfilling how many equipments used and you can create the categories according to your company indirect manpower report. Apart from the laborers, those who are working at your site directly under your control, there might be indirect manpower, such as if you given a grill manufacturers to other agencies, they will be having some indirect manpower. That is we call as a indirect manpower. This category numbers and remarks has to be given in the indirect manpower report. Then comes weekly summary sheet. So this is the most important thing. Make clear important form number according to your concern. This is the dorsal things. What is the project it has been there? You have to mention the project. Weekly report for the week ended from period to period. Description. So let us say billing. Okay. It consists of milestone, progress, variations, substitutions, total revenue. See, in this we have to have plan for it. Last month what we plan, current month what is this? For this week how much? So the total will be A plus B plus C. Actual what is happened? Last month what has happened? Current month happened. For this week. So the total will be H is equal to E plus F plus G. Then figures in Indian rupees will be this much things. In this what all comes? Total revenue expenditure annexure as per annexure 2. Gross operating profit and loss account, receipts, milestone, progress, variation. Then payments as per annexure 3, which will be discussing it later. Receivables, billed and receivable, unbilled and receivable, then the total subtotal. Payable as per annexure 3, which we will be discussing in the future. Total capital expenditure, what is this? Again, this is a cost breakup which we are going to talk about it. Weekly report for a description, cumulative till last week, last month, current month. For this week how much? Actual, the same methodology of the format. In this sheet you have to provide activity wise breakup on actual progress. This should be cumulative working and should tally with the first page of the total of all billings. Now we come to weekly report cost. This will be looked by the accounts department and everybody. Okay. Description, construction cost. What is the cumulative last week, cumulative the current month? The same methodology will be going down up to this. In this we will be covering construction cost, personnel cost, mobilization, demobilization cost, equipment and running maintenance cost, site establishment, consumables. This is also the total 1. Then procurement costs and bought out items, subcontract. This is all these 3 will put together 2. Finance and sponsorship costs. So total cost will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 will be having the total. Capital expenditure. At the end of the week's report, the actual should tally with the actuals for the month. Please provide all the correct details so that it will tally. Weekly report, current assets and liabilities. Form number you can give according to your company's name, client name, annexure 3. Project, what is the project? Weekly report for the week ended, figures in rupees, actuals, cumulative till last week for the week. So the total will come down. Last month and current month. Description, A plus C plus D is equal to ABC. Receivables. Please give bill wise breakup and the receivables including date of submission. Certification and the expected date of receipt. Payables, greater than 60 days, less than 60 days, retention payable. Provisions, payment made to be broken up as follows: bank payments, liabilities, expenditure, cash payment, staff payment, advance or anything, interest payment, liabilities for expenditure. This has to be done with the accounts, the help of the accounts department. Format, monthly report format sheet. Form number so and so, project, work, client, figures in costing summary sheet, status of the last month, variation with the last month incurred increase or decrease, project budget, variation with the project budget increase or decrease, balance to incur, description, construction cost, personnel cost, mobilization, demobilization cost, equipment running and maintenance cost, site establishment and consumable. This will come subtotal 1. procurement cost, bought outs, subcontracts, subtotal 2. Finance and sponsorship cost, total cost 1 plus 2 plus 3. Billing, what is the billing? Gross operating profits, capital purchases, net cash profit or loss. Note, detailed item wise breakup has to be provided for the above categories. Month wise cash flow giving breakup for every item. Monthly report, committed and uncommitted costs. Form number, so and so, so and so, so and so. Client, what is the amount we are going to. Costing summary sheet. Committed, yet to commit, total cost, committed cost. URL to download this file has been as follows. Description, construction cost, personnel cost, mobilization, demobilization cost, equipment running maintenance cost, site establishment and consumables. Subtotal, procurement cost, bought out, subcontract. Subtotal 2, finance and sponsorship cost. Total cost 1 plus 2 plus 3. Billing, gross operating profits, capital purchases, net cash profit or loss has to be given. This is to be done along with the finance guy or a site accountant. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. You can contact me civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Civil Conclave Telegram group. The link has been asked.